Tangling and knotting are common hair problems that can lead to frustration and even breakage if not handled properly. The right detangling brush can make all the difference, helping to smooth out your hair painlessly and efficiently while preserving its health. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best detangling brushes in this year, showcasing their features, benefits, and why they stand out. Whether you have curly, straight, fine, or thick hair, one of these options is sure to become your new hair care hero. Kicking off our list at number 1, Revlon Detangling Brush. The Revlon Detangling Brush is a versatile and budget-friendly tool that delivers salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Perfect for all hair types, it's designed to glide effortlessly through knots without pulling or causing damage, making it an excellent choice for everyday detangling. Key features: this brush features a flexible dual-layer design with both firm and soft bristles, providing a perfect balance of strength and gentleness. It's ergonomically designed with a non-slip handle, ensuring a comfortable grip. The brush is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for both home use and travel. Benefits and usage: the Revlon Detangling Brush minimizes breakage by gently loosening tangles without tugging at the roots. It works well on both wet and dry hair, ensuring versatility for all styling routines. The soft bristles also massage the scalp, promoting better blood circulation for healthier hair growth. Usability: this brush is easy to use for people of all ages and hair types. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, making it suitable even for children's delicate hair. The dual-layer bristles allow for seamless detangling, reducing the time and effort needed to achieve smooth, knot-free hair. Durability: built with durable plastic and high-quality bristles, the Revlon Detangling Brush is designed to withstand daily use. Proper cleaning and maintenance will keep it performing effectively for years, ensuring it remains a reliable part of your hair care routine. In the second spot, we have Paul Mitchell Paddle Brush. The Paul Mitchell Paddle Brush is a premium quality detangling tool perfect for managing thick, long, or unruly hair. Renowned for its sleek design and professional-grade performance, it's a favorite among stylists and hair care enthusiasts alike. Key features: this paddle brush features a broad, flat base with flexible nylon bristles, making it ideal for detangling large sections of hair quickly. The cushioned pad ensures gentle brushing, while the ergonomic handle provides superior control. Its anti-static design helps reduce frizz for a polished finish. Benefits and usage: the Paul Mitchell Paddle Brush is designed to detangle and smooth hair without pulling or snagging. It's excellent for taming thick or coarse hair, making it manageable and ready for styling. The anti-static bristles help reduce flyaways, leaving hair sleek and shiny. Usability: this brush is perfect for both professional use and at-home care. Its wide surface area allows for efficient detangling, especially on longer hair. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, even during extended use, while the cushioned base ensures a pain-free brushing experience. Durability: constructed with high-quality materials, the Paul Mitchell Paddle Brush is built to last. Its sturdy bristles and robust design ensure consistent performance, even with daily use. Proper cleaning and care will prolong its lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Crave Naturals Glide. The Crave Naturals Glide Detangling Brush is specifically designed to tackle even the toughest knots without causing pain or breakage. Its innovative design and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable detangling brush. Key features: this brush features soft, cone-shaped plastic bristles that gently separate hair without pulling. It's ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during use. The Glide is lightweight and compact, making it travel-friendly and easy to store. Benefits and usage: the Crave Naturals Glide is perfect for detangling wet or dry hair, including curly, wavy, and straight textures. It reduces breakage and split ends by gliding smoothly through knots, preserving hair health. Its bristles are also scalp-friendly, promoting circulation and a soothing brushing experience. Usability: designed with ease of use in mind, this brush is suitable for all ages and hair types. The lightweight construction and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use, while the compact size is ideal for on-the-go styling. Its bristles work effectively on both natural and synthetic hair extensions. Durability: made from durable plastic, the Glide is designed to last through daily use without losing its effectiveness. Proper care, such as cleaning the bristles regularly, will ensure it remains in excellent condition for years, providing consistent detangling results. And finally, at number 5, we have Boar Bristle Brush. The Boar Bristle Brush is a timeless classic that has been trusted for generations. Known for its natural bristles and gentle touch, it's ideal for detangling while promoting healthy, shiny hair. Key features: this brush features 100% natural boar bristles, which distribute oils evenly from the scalp to the ends, enhancing shine and softness. The wooden handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Its lightweight and compact design make it suitable for everyday use. Benefits and usage: the Boar Bristle Brush is perfect for detangling fine to medium hair types and works especially well on dry hair. It reduces frizz, adds shine, and stimulates the scalp for healthier hair growth. Use it for a gentle yet effective detangling experience that leaves hair looking polished and smooth. Usability: this brush is easy to use and suitable for all ages. Its natural bristles glide effortlessly through hair, making it a favorite for sensitive scalps. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure a comfortable brushing experience, even during prolonged use. Durability: made with high-quality materials, the Boar Bristle Brush is built to last. With regular cleaning and proper care, it will maintain its effectiveness for years, offering consistent results and an enjoyable brushing experience. A detangling brush is more than just a tool, it's an essential part of your hair care routine. From the budget-friendly Revlon detangling brush to the luxurious Mizutani scissors silk brush, each of these options offers unique benefits to suit different hair types and needs. No matter which one you choose, investing in the right detangling brush will not only make your routine easier, but also protect and enhance your hair's health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking for hair care solutions.